In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to match colors using the Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint. If you've ever tried to make your text perfectly match an image, a logo, or another design element on your slide and struggled to get the exact shade, this quick trick will save you a lot of time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the Eyedropper tool to create perfectly consistent, professional-looking slides in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to match the color. This works whether you're using text, shapes, icons, or other objects, but in this example, we're going to focus on text. Click on the text that you want to change. Make sure the text box is selected so that the formatting options appear in the top ribbon. Once your text is selected, go up to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the Font section, you'll see the Font Color option, which usually shows a letter A with a colored underline beneath it. Next to that icon, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on that Fill Color arrow to open the color menu. This menu shows theme colors, standard colors, and more options. In the Color drop-down menu, look for the Eyedropper tool. Click on Eyedropper. As soon as you click it, your cursor will change into an eyedropper icon. Now you can move your mouse anywhere on your slide, and as you hover over different colors, you'll see a preview of the color that will be applied to your text. Carefully move the eyedropper over the color you want to match. This could be a color inside an image, a logo, a shape, a background element, or even another piece of text. When you hover over the exact shade you want, simply click on it. Instantly, your selected text will change to match that exact color. This is incredibly useful when you're working with brand colors, custom graphics, or imported images where the exact color isn't available in the default theme palette. Instead of guessing or manually adjusting RGB values, the Eyedropper tool does the work for you and ensures perfect accuracy. You can repeat the same process for other elements as well. For example, if you want to match the fill color of a shape, select the shape, click on the Shape Fill dropdown in the ribbon, choose Eyedropper, and then click on the desired color. The process is exactly the same. This keeps your slides visually consistent and gives them a polished, professional look. If you ever don't like the result, you can simply undo the action by pressing Ctrl-Z on your keyboard and try again. Don't forget that you can zoom in on your slide for even more precision when selecting detailed colors from small images or graphics. And that's it. That's how you match colors using the Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference when designing clean, cohesive presentations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.